Okay, question 3, part A is convert these surfaces 4y squared plus z squared minus x minus 16y minus 4z plus 20 equals 0 to standard form, classify and graph it. Part B, second part, we'll find the parametric and symmetric equations of this point and perpendicular to the I minus j, or I plus j and j plus k. First we'll do A. So first, we're going to complete the square and rewrite the equation. So y squared plus z squared minus x minus, just rewrite it. Complete the square, 4y squared, 16y plus z squared minus 4z minus x, 0. So now we do 4y squared minus 16y plus 16 plus z squared minus 4z plus 4 minus x equals 0. Bring the 4 out. Y squared z squared minus 4z plus 4 minus x equals 0. And now we know what this is. This is a 4, and then this can be reduced to just y minus 2 squared plus z minus 2 squared minus x. Divide both sides by 4, right? Divide by 4, you get x over 4. X becomes positive. Y minus 2 plus z minus 2 squared over 4. Okay, so now that we have this, in standard form, now we're going to classify, knowing that this z is equal to y squared plus z x squared. This is, instead of it being z, it's x. Basically, you know from that it's an elliptic paraboloid, and the vertex, this is going to be 0, 2, and 2. So you could say the vertex is equal to 0, 2, 2, and then it's an elliptic paraboloid. And now we're going to graph it. There's the z, it's the y, it's the x. It's going to be at 2, 0, 2, 2. So 0x, 2, and 2. And it's going to go something like this. All right, that's it. So now that's part A. Part B, let's do it on this one. So for part B, we need to, can you see it? Okay, part B. So part B, we have I cross J, or I plus J, sorry. I plus J and J plus K. These lines are parallel to both vectors. Cross product of these two vectors and parallel to the line. So we want to find the parametric and symmetric equation of the point 1, 2, and then of this. So in order to find this, we need to do the cross product of this. They're not showing that in this one here, there's a 0 for k, and in this one there's a 0 for I. So just to make it easier to see, I'm going to write I plus j plus a 0k. So you can see that. And then we're going to cross that with a 0i plus j plus k. So what that equals is ijk 1 1 0, right? 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. And that's going to get you a 1 and a 0. So 1i, just I by itself. For j, a 1 0 negative, because remember j is going to be negative. This is a plus minus plus, right? So plus minus j. And then for k, that's 1, that's 0, so it's going to be positive k. So now that we know this, we know, seeing this right here, this is, you can say A, B, and C is equal to I negative j k, or 1 negative 1 1. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 1, C is equal to 1. So we're passing this line passes through the point first we do the parametric equation. Parametric equation. Which is, for this guy, we're going to say x is equal to x naught plus ta, y is equal to y naught plus tb, z is equal to z naught plus tc, and then this x is equal to 2 plus 1 times t, y is equal to 1 plus negative 1 t, t is equal to 0 plus 1 t. This, like I said, the line passes through the point 2, 1, 0, or sorry, not 2, for 1, negative 1, 1. Right, yep, 1. So this actually just be 1, negative 1, 1. Yep, 1, 1. Okay, just to make sure. Original question. Oh, that's my problem. Sorry, it's a 2 here. So this should be a 2 right here. 1, 1, 2. Sorry, guys. 1, 1, and 2. So there should be 1, 1, 1, negative 1 from here, and then this is a 1, and this is a 2. So that's a 2. So let me just rewrite this. X is equal to 1 plus 1t, y is equal to 1 plus negative 1t, and z is equal to t plus 1t, 2 plus 1t. So simplify, x is equal to 1 plus t, y is equal to 1 minus t, and z is equal to 2 plus t. So parametric You can put comma, whatever you want to do. And then now we'll have the symmetric equation. X minus x naught over A is equal to y minus y naught over B is equal to z minus z naught over C. So x1, x minus 1 over 1 is equal to y minus 1 over negative 1 is equal to z minus 2 over 1. So x minus 1 equals negative y plus 1, c minus 2. That's it.